Music serves as a powerful medium that transcends geographical borders and cultural differences. It is often described as a truly universal language because it communicates complex emotions that words frequently fail to capture. Neurological studies have shown that listening to your favorite music triggers the release of dopamine in the brain, a chemical that significantly improves our emotional well-being and reduces stress levels. Because of this, music is increasingly being used as a therapeutic tool to help people recover from trauma or manage anxiety in their daily lives. Beyond its emotional impact, music plays a functional role in our productivity and physical performance. Many professionals rely on specific instrumental playlists to enter a state of flow during complex tasks, as it helps block out background noise and sharpens focus. Athletes often use high-tempo beats to increase their endurance and motivation during intense training sessions. The rhythm acts as a metronome for the body, allowing people to push past their physical limits more easily than they would in silence. In addition to this, and perhaps the most magical aspect of music, is its deep connection to our autobiographical memory. A single chord or a familiar melody can instantly transport a person back to a specific moment in their youth, proving how strongly our brains link sound with personal experience. This occurs because the parts of the brain that processes music are located very close to the areas responsible for memory and emotion. For many, music acts as a soundtrack to their lives, preserving feelings that might otherwise be forgotten over time. In a broader social context, music is essential for fostering a sense of community and shared cultural identity. Throughout history, it has been at the heart of the human experience, from national anthems that inspire unity to traditional folk songs that tell the story of people. In the modern era, digital streaming platforms have democratized access to global sounds, allowing us to explore diverse perspectives from distant corners of the world. So, whether you are performing on a grand stage or simply appreciating a curated playlist, music remains an indispensable part of the human experience, enriching our lives with depth and resonance.